Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see to fix a video memory error in Marvel Rivals on PC. Start by lowering the in-game graphics settings, including texture quality and shadow detail to reduce memory usage. Updating your graphics drivers from the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel websites is crucial for improved performance. Additionally, close unnecessary background applications using Task Manager to free up system resources. Increasing your virtual memory can also help. Go to Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings, Performance, Advanced Virtual Memory, and adjust the size to at least double your RAM. Check for overheating issues, as high temperatures can limit performance. Monitor GPU temperatures with tools like HW Info or MSA Afterburner. Verifying game files through your launcher, Steam, or Epic Games can repair any corrupted files contributing to the error. Disabling overlays from applications like Discord or Steam is advisable since they consume GPU resources. Furthermore, adjust your GPU settings in the control panel to prioritize performance over quality by disabling features like anti-aliasing that may increase memory load. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider upgrading your hardware, as your current GPU may not meet the game's demands. The GPU with more VRAM could significantly alleviate memory issues. By implementing these strategies, you should be able to resolve the video memory error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Marvel Rivals. Hope you got value from this video.